maybe good morning to everyone. Yeah.
This is Chen. I'm from Julite. We provide cleaning machines.
I'm Ethan, also from Julite Machinery. 今年的情况比较特殊，然后疫情期间，咱们也很长时间和在线的很多朋友都没有见过了。不过这也是第一次广交会，因为每年基本上咱们都要去2次广。
对。
一般一个是春季的一次，然后还有一个是秋季的。我们都能在广州见到很多老朋友，也能见到很多新朋友。但是今年确实是这个新的情况，疫情的原因，咱们不能过去。你看你是
我英语。Because this year is very special, so we cannot go to the canton fair. So that's why we sit here to show our company, show our product to you. And every year, in fact, we going to the canton fair. We can meet a lot of old friends and many new people we meet, many older people we meet, and it's better for us to show our company, show the strength of our company, and it's better for us to communicate face to face. Now we have to sit here to show some photos, show some videos, and talking here.
因为可能有些朋友是第一次知道咱们公司，有些是新的，对咱们公司之前是有一些了解。我大概的讲一下我们公司是做什么的。我们石家庄居力特公司呢是成立于2006年，一直致力于生产谷类和粮食种子加工和成套设备。从2008年开始，我们开始开拓了国际市场。
Now with many new friends coming here, and let's introduce our company first. Our company is founded at 2006, and we focus on the cleaning machine for greens, for beans, for all kinds of seeds. And for the many years development, and we have become the #1 for cleaning machines in China.
我们现在的公司的技术研发和生产能力呢，不仅仅能够提供单一的这种结构单一的这种设备，同时我们也能够完成交钥匙工程。
Now we will not only provide the single cleaning machines, some easy machines. We can also provide the whole processing line to sell your product, to do the processing line as your requirement.
你要是有施工的话，咱们可以换一下。那你就来讲，介绍一下。
对，没有，
我现在可以。Sunny hand. Hello, Sunny hand. If you can hear me, test 1, okay? Can you hear me, Sunny?
Many people see Sunny in Africa.
Sunny.
咱每年的机器很大的销量都是在非洲、亚洲和欧洲区以及美洲的地区。
Yeah, every year our main market is in Africa, Asia, and the Russian region. Mainly for the grain and seed, especially for the oil products, oil seed, like the sesame, like the peanut, like the linseed. They are widely used in these countries.
每年我们还要参加很多的展会，然后各个地方我们都去哈，包括什么德国呀、欧洲啊、非洲啊、美洲啊都去了。
This year, Canton Fair also is every year we attend Canton Fair, but besides this, we also attend a lot of exhibitions in different countries. like in Germany, the Hanover Mess and the SOPF in Asia countries, like the APSA, APSA Congress, and the GPC Congress every year. We can in this meeting, our company is I think is famous this year. a lot of customer, they see our logo, our brand. Okay, yeah, I know your country, I know your company. We have very good impression in this meeting, and we have known a lot of friends there. But this year is every plan, all the plan is changed, cancelled a lot of exhibitions. It's a pity. But we hope everyone, all the friends, keep healthy and good business in the future.
So, it's very good when we attend one exhibition, when we meet some people, they say, oh, I know this brand, I know Ethan, I know Chen, I know Edward. It's very good.
因为我们公司有一个很重要的一个工作习惯和一个功能，我们更喜欢走出去，天南世界的各个角落，我们更愿意和我们的客户建立面对面的一个沟通，一个面对面的了解。同时呢，我们每年都要有很多的，其实展会其实我们只是一个很小的一部分，对吧？我们更多的是要去到当地给我们客户做一些售后，做一些服务。
In fact, besides exhibition, every year we go to the market, we go to the places where we sell the machines. We help our customers to check in the machine, to help to do some after sales service. And it's better for me, for us it's better to make our brand more famous. For the customer it's better we can use the machine very well.
We know this year, due to this terrible epidemic, all the countries, all over the world, the economy slowed down. It's not good. It's a lot of people they suffer a lot. But everybody, every day, they need to eat. The food is very important. So I think based on the real situation, the food demand is growing up. So I don't know how many people watching this and your business agree or maybe fit. I think we can communicate, we can exchange some information about the business, about our Chinese market. 不管怎么讲，我们中国现在是世界上最大的一个粮食进口国。
对。
我们中国的这个对粮食的一个需求也会反过来影响这些很多产地的他们一个加工的一个习惯，他们的供需、种植这些从业者的。
对。China is have a very huge requirement for all kinds of grains, and every year we import lots of beans, lots of grains from abroad, and the requirement in China will affect the machines using in the local market or abroad, and when the customers want to buy what kind of seeds, then there we need to provide that kind of seeds. They need to meet the requirement of the customer. So that's very important.
是因为举一个很现实的例子，像乌兹别克，像非洲的芝麻，苏丹的花生，他们在咱们中国市场向他们敞开进口许可之前，他们的加工设备、他们的加工工艺，其实和咱们中国市场之间有很大的差异。
For example, in Uzbekistan, in Sudan, in some other countries. In Uzbekistan, it's the green mung beans. In Sudan, it's peanut. Before China opened the market to them, and they using the cleaning machines for the local market or maybe for other countries. But the machine is very different. And when we Chinese opened the market, and when we people here go there and tell them that we want to buy the seeds, and they will tell them what kind of seeds we need, and also they will introduce our machine to them because our machine is cheaper and have very good quality. Made in China is very famous.
其实就是因为当地的这个原料的质量和咱们市场之间的一个差异还是很大的，所以说咱们的设备呢，就是能够弥补这些差异，满足中国市场的这个需要。
So when the farmers harvest from the field, and the raw materials have lots of impurities, and some different when the business people doing the export, they will give different standard, and because the difference of the standard, we need different kind of machines. For example, in China, sometimes we need the higher purity, sometimes we need the lower purity, and that's just dependent. So you need the machine to meet the requirement of the customer. So that's why our machines can spread all over the world.
还有一个原因，我觉得是因为咱们国内的粮食加工和物料杂粮行业，它的有一个自己的加工习惯，和国外的还是有很大的差异的，所以咱们的设备呢也更适合于加工出符合中国市场质量要求的这些产品。比如说他们可能习惯使用这个欧洲的一些设备，但是它并没有一些加工设备它欠缺。
For example, for some buyers in China, they have the special habit for the using of machines. Maybe the seller before they using the European machines, and in fact that machine is working good, but still they cannot meet some requirements of the Chinese people. And the people tell the buyers we have to find a solution. So you need to find us.
如果we have a lot of information, marketing relationship in China and also in other countries, and we are in different fields like the bean pulses business, sesame, peanut, some green business, even like the sunflower business. We have lots of buyer and sales information, and we have much experience in this different field to supply proper solution for all the buyers. If you have any interesting, I think you can leave your message. We can keep in touch. And if you want to know something about our Chinese market, we can communicate. We can communicate in the future. Okay.
意思那边市场上主要是什么物料啊？
In my region, mostly like the Myanmar. Myanmar is one of the biggest agro products country. They have a lot of beans like the chickpea, and the lentil, green mung bean, and red bamboo, and the paddy, like this. And also black sesame. Myanmar now is the biggest black sesame exporter to China. I know in Africa the white sesame is the main product.
I'm in South Africa. I never seen the black sesame. Never.
But now right now in Myanmar, some farmers, they started to plant the white, this kind of sesame. They are trying to test this kind of sesame, checking the harvest quantity, the quality, because years ago, in the Myanmar market, this white sesame, the quality is very poor, not so good as the black. So I know since year 28, they have started testing this white sesame. Now some people they have this. You can find white sesame in Myanmar, but mostly the bamboo red bamboo and black is the main product. And the Hmong, the red bamboo are the Hmong and red bamboo are the most popular products of China. Also, right now, I know this year Chinese market opens for the SOP, right? We
For
can
the soybean,
for the soya and also for the mung beans, and also for the mung beans. You know, in China, like this kind of bean, we Chinese people like the shining color. The surface must be shining, very very shiny, like the jewelry. The problem is right now the processing stages like in Ethiopia, like in Myanmar, and also like in Thailand, their machine is not enough. They have no good polishing process. So in this case, this product will not have a good price. So right now, polishing, gravity and magnetics, something like this, different kind of function, they have to improve.
So what kind of machines your customer will use to clean this?
Mostly pre-cleaner almost the same, but the special after the pre-cleaner, like the fine cleaning process, polishing is necessary, and because I said Chinese people like better color, and after that, a gravity separator is very important, because if this any broken or the insect or the hollow beans mixed, the people will not like this. So gravity separator is very very important. And also besides that, sometimes destoner, because we know destoner is also a standard machine. In different countries they have their own destoner, but their capacity and their working performance is not so good. So they also use and their working function maybe is different. So like this.
Some is positive, some is negative.
Yeah. So this one, the main, like the polishing gravity destoner is our special main machine to do the fine cleaning.
So listen, if I am the new guy, I want to start my easy in exporting this. What kind of process line, what kind of machine I need from the beginning to the end?
I think at least I recommend you a standard line, standard processing. Okay, standard line. So I want to show you our processing line, the draft. I show you what combined in this line. Okay, so I show you this line. Generally, one standard processing line including cleaner, pre-cleaning process, and fine cleaning, and post-cleaning, three main parts. Right now, the standard capacity is around 5 tons per hour, from the pre-cleaning to the packing. The first one, at least, the cleaning line should include a cleaner. Okay, cleaner machine, like right now we mainly recommend air screen cleaner for 5 tons per hour. It's a kind of machine can remove like the light impurity, the leaves, the dust, the straw, the stick, and remove. After this pre-cleaning, we can get about. That depends on the annual quality of the raw material. After the cleaning, the quality around 98%. We can get this kind of quality, but it's not good enough for exporting quality requirements. So that's why we need fine cleaning after this. Okay, I recommend I introduce the fine cleaning process part. 这块第二部分的方案，资源其实比论的这个方案。In some regions, especially like in Myanmar, in Thailand and Ethiopia, some people because they have different harvesting method, there will be a lot of mud, cloud mixed in the raw material. Like this machine. In this case, we have to use the magnetic separator. But in some countries like Canada and Australia, they have the automatic harvesting. There's no interaction between the material and the ground. There will mostly no mud mixed in the material. So in this case, if the raw quality is good, the raw material quality is good, this magnetic is not necessary. But besides the country, besides this region, Myanmar, Thailand, Ethiopia, Uzbekistan, they have not so professional harvesting machines, so they need this to remove the clod. Remove the clod and get better quality. Because the clod will mix with the beans and affect the color, the taste, and the quality. No, it's not good. After that, the most material we can see is a stone, a lot of stone. The same reason why the stone mixed with in the raw material, the stone. We must remove that. No matter where the beans come from, this stoner is necessary. Now, in Myanmar market and like in the Chinese market, the processing factory, the warehouse, they have at least they have 2 destoners. Twice. That means in one line, in one time processing, they have 2 destoners. We clean the stone for twice, for getting better quality. After the destoner, we have to use the gravity separator. It's the main fine cleaning machine part, because if you want to use the beans for making beans or grain for making seed, or for making no matter for making seed or for making the food use, gravity separator is used to remove like the hollow, the insect, the bad seed, the rotten seed, remove them away. If without this, the shape, the color will be not good. And in this field, a lot of people, they have twice gravity. It also means twice gravity separating process, just for better requirement, especially in Myanmar market. A lot of people, they use twice gravity, even the triple times polishing.
So it means we use maybe two gravity table machine.
Yes, that means better quality, the better purity rate. After that, polishing machine, just to remove the dust, the not shining, the gray color on the surface of the bean to get the shining color. Actually now in China, most of the grain and the beans importers, they have their own factory. They have their own machine to do the twice and the third cleaning. So, but if the raw material, they have good quality, like they have this toner, gravity, or the polishing, they will spend less in the twice or the third processing. So polishing is necessary. And in this case, the color will be good. The color will be good, and it's good for them. The buyer will feel satisfied with this. And after the polishing, we can use the grader. 4 layers grader or the 5 layers grader separated the material into different sizes, from the very small or to the half to the broken, separated them into different size, and then we can get different quality, different price, and then use the color sorting, and color sorting get the average quality, good looking. After that, after color sorting, after color sorting, okay, we can go to the packing. It's a kind of packing the finish, the end of this procedure. So it's a kind of standard. It's a kind of standard processing line for the non-beans and for the other beans processing.